What questions are asked in Asian visa interviews? If you are preparing for a visa interview for an Asian country, you might be wondering what types of questions you will face. Understanding these questions can help you feel more confident and ready for your interview. Let's break down the common themes you can expect during the process. First, expect questions about your personal information and identity. You will need to confirm your full name, date of birth, and contact details. Be prepared to show your passport and discuss your previous travel history. Next, the visa officer will want to know the purpose of your visit. You should be ready to explain why you are traveling to that specific Asian country. They may ask how long you plan to stay and where you will be staying during your visit. It is helpful to have the address of your accommodation handy. Additionally, they may inquire about the activities you plan to engage in, whether it is work, study, tourism, or business. Your work and employment status will also come up. Be prepared to discuss your current occupation, your employer, and your role. If you are self-employed, be ready to provide details about your business. If you plan to work in the Asian country, you should know the conditions under which you will be employed. Financial stability is another critical topic. You may be asked how you will fund your trip or stay. Be ready to show that you have sufficient financial resources or sponsorship. This could include providing bank statements or proof of income. If you own property or have assets in your home country, mention those as well. The visa officer will likely ask about your ties to your home country. Questions may include whether you have family members or dependents back home. They want to know what guarantees you will return after your visit. If you own property or have ongoing commitments, be sure to mention them. Your previous travel and visa history will also be discussed. Be honest about any past travel experiences, including where you have traveled and when. If you have applied for or been refused a visa before, be prepared to explain that situation. They may also ask if you have ever overstayed or violated visa conditions. Health and insurance questions may come up, too. You should be ready to discuss whether you have medical insurance coverage for your stay and if you have any ongoing medical conditions. For specific visa types, additional questions may arise. For student visas, you might be asked why you chose a particular university or program and how you will finance your education. For work visas, be prepared to discuss your qualifications and skills. If you are applying for a family or spouse visa, expect questions about your relationship and plans for living together. To prepare effectively, gather all necessary documentation that proves your employment, finances, housing arrangements, and health insurance. Be ready to explain your plans regarding work, cost of living, healthcare access, and housing in the Asian country. Showing that you are aware of local conditions and how you will adapt can reassure the visa officer of your preparedness. Overall, being well prepared for these common questions can significantly improve your chances of a successful visa interview.